Creating EC2 instance. Log in into the AWS Management Console with user credentials. You can use free tier account also. Once logged in, navigate to EC2 Management Console by typing EC2 in search field provided in Find Services menu. Select EC2. In EC2 Management Console, information regarding running instances, security group, elastic IP, etc. is displayed. Create Instance menu offers option to launch new instances. From Service Health menu, the current health report of different VPC zones and current region can be viewed. Let's see how instance can be created in AWS with minimal settings. Select the desired region where the instance should be created before proceeding further. There are different regions available in AWS with multiple availability zones. Let's go with Ohio as desired region for this demonstration. AWS services available in a region may not be available in another. Please choose the region carefully before launching any AWS services. Select Launch Instance from Create Instance menu for creating a new instance. Choose the required Amazon machine image from the given list of machine images. Select the architecture for the EC2 instance, like ARM or x86. Select the instance type from the given list, for example, T2.micro. According to the type of the instance, the number of cores and memory capacity of the instance varies. In Configure Instance Details, parameters like number of instance, VPC, subnetting, etc. can be configured. Public IP can be attached to the instance by enabling Auto-Assign Public IP. Other settings like shutdown behavior, IAM role, etc. can be configured from this page. We'll use basic settings for the instance in this demo. Option to add storage to the instance, specify the type of volume, size of the volume, enable encryption, etc. is provided in this page. Provision to add a new volume to the instance is also available in this page. Adding tags to the instance is optional unless you are planning to use instance with other AWS service like CloudWatch, Lambda, etc. You can use existing security group or create a new one. Let's create a security group for this instance. Give a name to the security group. For demonstration use, web server as name of this group. Enable required ports in security group to allow connection to these ports. Since this instance is set up for web server, allow incoming connection to port 80 HTTP and 443 HTTPS, and selecting Anywhere as source will open these port for all incoming and outgoing connections. Select Review and Launch to review the changes that have been made so far. Once verified, select Launch Instance to create a key pair and to launch the instance. A new key pair can be created or use existing key pair for the instance. Choose the required option accordingly. Let's see how a key pair can be created. Enter a name for the key pair and select Download Key Pair to create and store the key pair to the local machine. Key pair is created and will proceed to launching instance. Select Launch Instances to finalize the changes and to launch the instance. Instances is getting launched. It will take only few seconds. Select View Instance. Information regarding newly created instance is shown in the EC2 Management Console. Instance is up and running. Now copy the public DNS or IP of the instance to SSH into server. Open terminal and change the working directory to directory where the SSH key file is saved. Change the permission of key file. Use command chmod space 400 space name of key file. Connecting to the instance using key pair. To connect to instance use command ssh space I space key file name.hem space username at public DNS or IP. Successfully logged into the server using key pair. Enabling password-based authentication to the server is optional. Use sudo su to switch as root. Open /etc/sshd_config with text editor to make required changes to enable password-based authentication. Change the line permit root login yes to permit root login no. Uncomment the line Password authentication yes. Comment or delete the line, password authentication no. Save and exit the file. Restart SSH service and check the status of the service. Use following command: service sshd restart service sshd status. Setting a strong password for the user, EC2 user, to log into the server. Open a new terminal and test whether password-based authentication is implemented or not. Attempting to log into server using password. Login to the server using password is successful. Thank you.